This video we will see the product review of Samsung Galaxy M47 5G smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy M47 5G is a mid-range 5G smartphone that offers a large display, powerful performance, long battery life, and good cameras at a reasonable price. This smartphone is a good choice for students, working professionals, everyday users, and people who enjoy gaming and watching videos. This smartphone comes with 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display, Full HD Plus resolution, 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling. This smartphone comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor, 6 GB RAM, 128 GB storage, and this smartphone supports micro SD card expansion. This smartphone comes with 50 MB main camera with optical image stabilization, 5 MB ultra-wide camera, 2 MB macro camera, 12 MB front camera, and this smartphone supports 4K video recording. And this smartphone comes with 6000 mAh battery and 45-watt fast charging. This smartphone comes with Android 16 and One UI 8.5. And Samsung provides 6 years of Android OS and security updates. This smartphone supports 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB Type-C, fingerprint sensor, face unlock, and Samsung Knox security. What are the advantages of this smartphone? Large and bright AMOLED display, smooth everyday performance, excellent battery life, fast 40-watt charging, good camera quality with optical image stabilization, expandable storage, long software support, and good value for money. What are the disadvantages of this smartphone? Charger may not be included in the box. Base model comes with 6 GB RAM only. Ultra-wide and macro cameras are average. Slightly heavier because of the large battery. What are the customers' positive feedback? Customers like bright and smooth display, long-lasting battery, fast and reliable performance, clear camera photos and stable videos, easy to use Samsung One UI, good value for the price. In US, price of this smartphone is around $300. In India, the price of this smartphone starting at 25,999 rupees. Prices may change depending on offers, storage, and location.